Face masks help prevent the spread of COVID-19, but some people find them awkward, uncomfortable, or downright unbearable to wear. There's another good option available for people who just can't get used to strapping on a face mask while out in public. Plastic face shields offer another means of deterring COVID-19 that some might find easier. They're clear plastic or plexiglass shields that cover the entire face, from the forehead down to the chin or lower. An elastic headband holds the shield in place. Face shields have been shown to reduce viral exposure by 96% when worn within 18 inches of a cough, and by 92% at the currently recommended 6 feet of social distancing, according to a recent editorial in the Journal of the American Medical Association. Face shields may supplant these masks, eventually. Shields offer a number of benefits over masks, but also a few drawbacks, experts said. Because they extend down from the forehead, shields protect the eyes as well as the nose and mouth. Viruses can enter the body through the eyes. Face shields also can be more comfortable for people to wear. It feels less obstructive on their mouth and nose than a mask. You don't get to feel the breeze on your face, but you do get some fresh air, rather than trying to breathe through a cloth mask. Person-to-person communication is better with a face shield. People can see your whole face through the shield, making it easier to talk. Many people when they're talking to people will take off their mask or bring it down. People reflexively do that because their voice is muffled by the mask. You can see people's facial expressions much better with a face shield. The shields are relatively lightweight and comfortable to wear. They're also reusable if a person takes the time to clean them with an antibacterial wipe or soap and water after an outing. Regular cleaning will be necessary because one drawback of the shields is that they provide an apt surface upon which the virus can survive. This virus likes to live on plastic a lot better than it likes to live on porous materials like cloth, paper, or cardboard. The type of protection a face shield provides is also very different from that of face masks, the experts said. Masks protect others around you from germs you are carrying. Face shields do the opposite, protecting you from being infected by the people around you. But if you cough, because this face shield is away from your face, those droplets can still get out better than if you have a mask on, where they basically get sucked up by the mask itself. Doctors working with sick people wear both a face mask and a face shield, and the combination offers the best protection against the viral spread, so the recommendation is to wear both a face mask and a face shield for the best protection.